Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is volume and surface area. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So, let's get started without further delay. 50 men took a dip in a water tank 40 meters long and 20 meters broad on a religious day. If the average displacement of water by a man is 4 meters cubed, then the rise in the water level in the tank will be? Here is an answer with explanation. Total volume of water displaced equals men count multiplied by average displacement equals 200 meters cubed. Therefore, rise in water level equals volume of water displaced divided by length multiplied by breadth equals 0.25 meters. The slant height of a right circular cone is 10 meters and its height is 8 meters. Find the area of its curved surface. Here is an answer with explanation. As given, slant height L equals 10 meters and height equal 8 meters. So, radius equals square root of length square minus height square equals 6 meters. Therefore, curved surface area equals pi multiplied by 60 meters square. A cistern 6 meters long and 4 meters wide contains water up to a depth of 1 meters 25 centimeters. The total area of the wet surface is? Here is an answer with explanation. Area of the wet surface equals 2 multiplied by breadth times height plus length times height plus length times breadth. After putting the values, we 49 meters square as final value. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2 Windows x64 bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development, and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the area of wet surface for earlier solved problem 3. I have used the scanner class's object for reading the input values from the console. NextInt method reads the integer values one by one from the console. I have closed the scanner object by calling close method to avoid excessive memory usages and to improve application's performance. Next, area of wet surface equals 2 multiplied by length multiplied by depth plus breadth multiplied by depth plus length multiplied by breadth. The last step is to return the area of wet surface. Here, I am printing the area of wet surface by calling volume surface method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the curved surface area for earlier solved problem 2. I have used the scanner class's object for reading the input values from the console. NextInt method reads the integer values one by one from the console. I have closed the scanner object by calling close method to avoid excessive memory usages and to improve application's performance. Next, radius equals the square root of slant height square minus height square. The curved surface area equals the product of pi, radius, and slant height. The last step is to return the curved surface area. Here, I am printing the curved surface area by calling volume surface method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the rise in water level for earlier solved problem 1. I have used the scanner class's object for reading the input values from the console. Next, nextInt method reads the integer values one by one from the console. I have closed the scanner object by calling close method to avoid excessive memory usages and to improve application's performance. Next, volume of water displaced equals the product of average displacement and men count. The rise in water level equals volume of water displaced divided by length times breadth. The last step is to return the rise in water level. Here, I am printing the rise in water level by calling volume surface method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.